Hello everybody, I am about to do the requested bungalow tour to show you a little bit around. To give you an idea, we have 2 bungalows for the 5 of us because they're 1-room bungalows, and basically it is very rustic, I guess, to put it the nice way, but it is lovely and it is steps to the beach. So let me go ahead and show you guys. So first thing first, when you come into the bungalow, so I'll show you how this works. There is a bucket, I guess more of a pot, and there is a cup, and what you do to kind of keep it clean is you take this off, and the bucket looks like it recently got really filled with rain. We had a big rain shower today, so you wash off your feet before you go in to the bungalow because it's so sandy, and you are just literally like a 30-second walk to the beach. So you just basically wash off your feet, and then you put this tray right back on, and then you have a towel. And a lot of people actually just leave their shoes on the steps, but our shoes are right there. And then we have a hammock that comes down that you can sit on in the porch, which is lovely. Here is our little porch. You can see we're taking up every nook and cranny. There's a watermelon that we got here. And clothes. You can see the beautiful work on the ceiling, and we are number 11. We have a little light and little chairs. So as you go in, we are not an air-conditioned bungalow, so we have this trusty fan to keep us cool, and at night it really does work well. During the day it is pretty hot. You just want to be out on the beach. And to give you an idea in US dollars, here's our bed. There's our little solid shampoo, you can see. But to give you an idea, we paid about $17 per bungalow per night. So this is what you get for 17 US dollars. You get a little place to put, little shelving unit. You can close these at night, and these are not windows, these are just screens, and that kind of helps you keep cool. In addition, there's a mosquito net that you put down at night. We did ours for the first time last night. We've been here a few nights, and we hadn't got bit any other night, and last night it just made our bungalow so hot to have it down. So now we're kind of debating what to do about it tonight. But I did see a very large bug in the bathroom. And there's my stuff. So you can see our backpacks are on the ground. We have a very big jug of water in here, and that whole water costs about $2. And there is some plugins for different things. And as you go, and they provide some hangers on your bed, and then they provide this little hanging unit, and you can see we have our shoe bag. This has some sandy shoes in it, and this is our laundry bag, and these fold right up. So if you're traveling, those are amazing. We've used them so many times. You can see our extra toilet paper, and then y'all get ready for the bathroom. If you are an American, you're gonna be like horrified. It does the job, but this is the bathroom, and so it's basically a toilet, like a bidet type thing, running water, and then a shower, which I can see one of my kids has left on the floor. And that's the bathroom, y'all. That is it. That's all you have. So and I forgot to mention, it's all cold water. The bathroom is cold. So the only time to really take a shower is when you're super hot during the day. If you don't get it then, you're not gonna get it. And so again, I'll just do like a quick pan around of the bungalow. Oh, and then this. So it's basically like a cabin on the beach is how I think about it. But look, you can see directly through the floors, which is freaking the girls out. They don't like that. But the girls are actually staying in their own bungalow, and we did not think that was going to happen. Ryan and I thought one of us would be in the other bungalow with them, but they are just fine. They have their mosquito net down, and for some reason their bungalow is a lot cooler than ours, so they're definitely not minding it. Also, the bungalow comes with just a sheet and another sheet, so no blankets really, and the pillows of course. But yeah, that's it. It is very, very rustic, but you can sit out on the porch and just look at all this beautiful scenery from the porch, and it feels about 10 degrees cooler or more out here. It's lovely. And you can hear the birds chirping, people walking, and then again we are less than 30 seconds from the beach, so that's amazing. But we're finding ourselves wanting to spend much more time out at the beach or in town versus here at the bungalow, because during the day not having AC is it's something. So anyway, all right, that was the update on the bungalow. Let me know what you guys think. All right, talk to you soon. Bye, y'all.